was going to buy like the corner panel, but I told them, hey, don't worry, if you find it, and it's, you know, like brand new, just, you know, you take this off and you put a new one, that's fine, you know, that's even less work for us and everything. But if you don't find it, no problem, I'm gonna get it done. Because when you do it, try it, and it's straight, you don't need to put a lot of bundle, so you eliminate a lot of bundle. You know, it doesn't crack or whatever, and can last for forever.
Fender skirt. What it does, it covers half the wheel in the rear, give it a real sexy look. But the best way to achieve, you know, show quality body work, you need the piece mounted in place. Like if you come closer, you'll see the line. That's actually a separate piece, but it was body work simultaneously together to achieve one uniform piece. Now when you take it off and put it back together, everything will be nice, lined up, perfect, smooth. You know, it's a lot of time and effort going into it this way, but when you're trying to achieve the statement that we are with this car, no expense spared, no corner cut. You know, show cars at a show, they're not looking for necessarily what you did right, they're looking for the one or two things you did wrong when you get high-end judges at certain car shows. So we're trying to build it the right way. I like his attitude. He's going to mount not only the fender skirt, he's also going to put the molding, the factory trim molding. We'll body work it to the molding and make sure everything is perfect. So once we do get the molding back from the chromers and the polishers, once we put it on, it'll be a, you know, A1 fit. So.
Yeah. This time I'm gonna do it together. I'm gonna put the body together. So this part and this part, like this, when you sand, it's gonna be more flat than this. Don't even think about it. Don't even think about it.
don't even think about it.
Splash with here, everything, you know. Everything perfect.
Look at
And
that.
it's not even tied yet, you know, just like, you know, just like push and that's it.
Right.
When I tie, it's gonna be like more,
Yeah.
you know, more tight to the, you know.
More flush.
Yeah, more flash, yeah.